Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.7, question number 7, part number 3, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Part number 3, that is 0.423 bar. So 0.423 bar mean repeated number after 3 point, so can also be written in the form of 0.423 423 423. This is the number of blocks that is repeats 423 form 423 form 423 form. So we can also written in the addition form, that is 0.423 plus 0.0004 plus 0.60423 plus up to so on. So 0.423 can also be written in fraction form, that is 423 divided by 1000 plus 423 divided by 160 plus up to so on. So by taking common 423 into 1 divided by 1000 plus 1 divided by 10 power 6. Here first term, that is a1 is equal to 1 divided by 1000, and second term, that is a2 is equal to 1 divided by 160. So R is the common ratio between a1 and a2. So by putting the values, a2 is equal to 1 divided by 1 divide 160, fraction value of a1 is equal to 1 divided by 1000. So by taking reciprocal of denominator function, that is 1 divided by 160 multiply 1000 divided by 1, so 30 cancel. So R is equal to 1 divided by 1000. Since the sum of infinite geometric sequence is, that is S infinite is equal to a1 divided by 1 minus R. So given term, that is 0.423 conjugate is equal to 423 into infinite term, that is a1 divided by 1 minus R. So by putting the values, value of a1 is equal to 1 divide 1000, fraction 1 minus 1 divide 1000 can also be written in the form of 1000, LCM form 1000 minus 1 equal to 999 fraction 1000. So this form can also be written in numerator form. So that is 1 divided by 1000 multiply 1000 divided by 999. So 1000 cancel, 1 divided by 99. So 423 divide 999. So 423 cancel 47, so 991 cancel